Hello students, today we are starting 3rd standard Social Studies chapter 1, the solar system. In this lesson we will be studying about the sun, which is a star, a planet, orbits, natural and man-made satellites. So everyone think our earth is round in shape, but it is not round in shape. The earth is geoid. It is not round, it is geoid in shape, but it looks round. So, the earth is covered by 3/4 of water. Only 1/4 of the earth is land. So, the earth is the only planet which has life on it. So, earth has plants to grow on the earth because of the presence of air, water, soil and sunlight. Earth is perhaps the only planet to have life on it. The solar system and the sun. The earth is a part of sun's family. The solar system consists of the sun situated in its center and the other heavenly bodies revolving around it. The solar system belongs to a large group of heavenly bodies called the universe. Our solar system belongs to the universe. Coming to the solar system. So you can see our solar system. At the center we have sun. The firstmost planet is the Mercury, then the Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The last planet is Neptune. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury is hot because it is very close to sun. Neptune is very cold because it is very far from the sun. So you can see these round circles, like you have these round things. These are called the orbits. These are fixed path. The planets move around the orbit itself. It moves around the sun. So here you can see planets in the order of the position from the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And each planet have the own character. It is smallest. Mercury is the smallest and closest to the sun. Venus appears the brightest at dawn and dusk. Air and water are present on it, where on Earth. And Earth is also called as blue planet. Mars is also called the red planet. And the fifth planet is Jupiter. It is the largest of the solar system. And the sixth planet is Saturn, and it is the second largest of the solar system. And Uranus appears blue in color, and the eighth and last planet is the Neptune, which is the very cold planet. Once we had Pluto to be considered as a planet, but now it is not considered as a planet. It is regarded as a dwarf planet. So here you finish the chapter, children. You can see this picture. You can see this water meeting the sky. This line is called the horizon. You can see like it is meeting the sky. This part is called the horizon.